Good morning, dear students. Students, let's start conic section. In today's session, we will discuss about the parabola. So let's start. What do you mean by parabola? The locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from fixed point and from fixed straight line is equal. Here we have the P is the moving point and S is the fixed point. And this is the straight line. This straight line is called the directrix. And P point moves in a plane such that its distance from the fixed point and from the fixed straight line remains same. So in this way, if we mark here point M, then PS is equals to PM. And here, if we make a straight line that passes from the focus and that cuts the ends of the axis, then this is called the latus rectum. Okay, so students, here let's start the exercise 11.2. Before going to the exercise, I am sharing you the formulas regarding the same. Here we have the 4 types of parabola in your syllabus. So first one is the when the mouth of the conic open towards the positive direction of x-axis. Then coordinates of focus are a0. Okay, and directrix of equation of directrix will be x is equals to minus a, because we know that here the distance from the origin of the focus and the directrix are same. So if this point is a0, then its equation must be x is equals to minus a. We know that a vertical line is of x-axis. So that's why students, its equation will be x is equals to minus a. I'm explaining you again. Suppose students, we have a focus here and directrix. This point is supposed to 0. Then this is minus 2. And vertical line is of x, so its equation will be x is equals to minus 2. In this way, equation directrix will be x is equals to minus a, and the length of latus rectum is 4a. Okay, so here what is latus rectum? I have explained you just that if we draw a line passes through the focus and cuts the ends of the conic, then that makes the latus rectum, and length of latus rectum is 4a. Similarly, we have the equation of second parabola is when mouth open towards the negative side of x-axis. So in this way, its focus coordinates of focus will be minus a0 and equation of directrix will be x is equals to a. So in this way, students, if you learn the formula of first parabola, then automatically you will learn rest of the formulas of y square is equals to minus 4ax, and rest of the parabolas x square is equals to 4ay as well as of negative side. So next is the parabola when its mouth open in the upward direction, and here we have y-axis symmetric about y-axis, and focus is coordinates of focus is 0 minus a, because we know that on the y-axis x remains same, x remains 0 throughout complete y-axis. So here coordinates is in the form of 0 minus a. Now students, if coordinates of focus are 0 minus a, then equation of directrix will be y is equals to y positive a, then equation of directrix will be y is equals to minus a. And in the same way, if focus lies on the negative side of y-axis, suppose its coordinate is 0 minus a, then equation of directrix will be y is equals to a. Okay, so in this way we have completed the formulas of the 4 parabolas. So let's start. Find the coordinates of the focus, axis of the parabola, the equation of directrix, and the length of latus rectum y square is equals to 12x. Students, we first find the value of a only. After determining the value of a, we can calculate all the required results. So here we compare y square is equals to 12x with y square is equals to 4ax. On comparing, we get a is equals to 3. This is very simple. Y square is equals to 12x, and comparing this with y square is equals to 4ax, then 4a is equals to 12, then a is equals to 3. Now students, coordinates of focus is a0, and here a is 3, so coordinates of focus is 3 0. Equation of directrix is x is equals to minus a, and put the value of a, we get x is equals to minus 3. Similarly, length of latus rectum is 4a, and by using the value of a, we get 12. So this is very easy. Next we have question number 2. Find the coordinates of the focus, axis of parabola, the equation of directrix and length of lateral rectum for x square is equals to 6 5. Now students, we have to compare this parabola with x square is equals to 4ay, and on comparing this we get 4a is equals to 6. In this way we get a is equals to 3 by 2. You can see here, this is very simple. On comparing these two we get a is equals to 3 by 2. Now coordinate of focus is 0a, so coordinates of focus is 0 3 over 2. Equation of directrix is y is equals to minus a. Okay students, here the focus lies on the positive side of x-axis. In this way, equation of directrix is y is equals to minus a, that is a is 3 over 2. This is the equation. Now length of lateral rectum is 4a. By using the value of a 3 over 2 we get 6. So in this way students, we have completed the question 2, and similar questions, rest of the questions you can do by the same method. Very easy, but notice one thing, that a remains positive in all the questions. Okay, so let's start question number 8. Find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the following conditions. Here focus is 0 minus 3 and directrix is y is equals to 3. स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले आपको यहाँ देखना है कि हमें गिवन क्या है. हमें यहाँ गिवन है फोकस. फोकस इज 0 minus 3. दैट मीन्स पैराबोला इज ओपन इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन and its coordinates are 0 minus 3. Okay, so here directrix is y is equals to, it is obviously that if focus is 0 minus 3 then directrix will be y is equals to 3. ये तो हमें पता ही था. तो हमें यहाँ पर फाइंड करना है पैराबोला की इक्वेशन को. अगर हमें ए की वैल्यू अगर हम डिटरमाइन कर लेते हैं देन बाय यूजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ ए वी कैन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला वेरी इजली. सो here the equation of parabola is x square is equals to minus 4ay, and what is the value of a? Here a is 3 because coordinates of focus is 0 minus a. On comparing with 0 minus a to 0 minus 3 we get a is equals to 3. Now students, put the value of a in this equation, we get the equation of parabola x square is equals to minus 12y. This is very easy question. So students, next we have question number 9. Question number 9 is find the equation of parabola that satisfies the following condition, where vertex is 0 0, focus is 3 0. Students, what is vertex? When conic meet the axis, then this point is called the vertex, and in your syllabus vertex remains same 0 0. Okay, and here it is given that focus is 3 0, that means axis is along x-axis. So here hence equation of the parabola is either y square is equals to 4x or y square is equals to minus 4x, but you have to decide that which one is correct. Because focus lies on the positive side of x-axis, then its equation must be y square is equals to 4x. Now coordinate of focus is a0, so on comparing with 3 0 we get a is equals to 3. Equation of parabola is y square is equals to 4x. By putting the value of a we get the answer. This is very easy. Next we have question number 11. Find the equation of parabola that satisfies the following condition, having vertex 0 0, passing through 2 3 and axis is along x-axis. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हमें इस क्वेश्चन में पैराबोला की इक्वेशन फाइंड करनी है और जो कि कंडीशंस को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. फर्स्ट इज दैट वर्टेक्स इज ओरिजिन एंड पासिंग थ्रू 2 3. दिस पैराबोला passes through 2 3. नाउ given that axis is along x-axis, but it is not given that parabola moves in the positive direction or in the negative direction. Its mouth will open in the positive direction of x-axis, either on negative direction of x-axis. So we have to decide this. So the equation of parabola is of the form y square is equals to 4x or y square is equals to minus 4x. So plotting the point 2 3 we get, since point 2 3 lies in the first quadrant, so and also it is given that parabola passes through this point, then equation must be y square is equals to 4x. Okay, so after that we have to put the 2 3 point in the position of x and y, so that we get a is equals to 9 over 8. Hence equation of parabola is y square is equals to 4x. Now by putting the value of a is equals to 9 over 8, we get the answer y square is equals to 9 over 2x, that is 2y square is equals to 9x. Now student, this is the last question. This is similar question just like question number 11 that we have already done. In this question we have to again find the equation of parabola and passing through 5 2 and axis is along y-axis. In the same way its equation can be x square is equals to 4ay or x square is equals to minus 4ay. But parabola passes through the point 5 2 and this point lies in the first quadrant. So students, here the equation must be x square is equals to 4ay. So by putting the value 5 2 in this equation, we get a is equals to 25 over 8. Okay, put x is equals to 5, y is equals to 2 in this equation. On calculating, we get a is equals to 25 over 8. So that student, hence equation of parabola is x square is equals to 4ay, and by using the value of a, we get the answer x square is equals to 25 over 2y. So students, in this way today we have completed the exercise of parabola. So students, thank you for watching the complete video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe.